government is called upon to give solutions to a gigantic mess. These are clearly different times. Others besides youth, those most vulnerable, will be hard hit in the months ahead. But losing a whole generation of youth, perhaps the first generation to face such rapid economic decline and therefore lack of opportunity to achieve and grow, is the most dangerous of all. Disgruntled, frustrated youth lead to palpable social unrest, and we cannot afford to become distracted from the important goal, which is to ensure that economic growth begins again, especially in new areas, creating a more sustainable and transparent world in which to live. Obviously, in order to facilitate the access to and the staying power of those more vulnerable groups into an active professional life, an integrated approach is necessary. Adequate income support, inclusive labor markets, and access to quality social services. Now in Greece, through our national reform plan, we're attempting a serious change in the education system, work and social protection. More specifically, we're modernizing the network of public employment services to better link individuals with jobs. We saw that very clearly in the UK. We're investing in a system of initial and lifelong learning in order to develop vocational and social skills for the active population.